Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change Alight Motion language. If you're looking for a way to change your Alight Motion's display language setting, then let me tell you that you cannot change your language within the Alight Motion application, but in order to change the language, you will need to change the language setting on your device itself. The first thing you will need to do is to open up the settings application from your Android device or your iOS device, and from the settings menu, go ahead and look for Alight Motion application. Now under preferred language, tap on language. Select the language you'd like to change to for the app and then open up your Alight Motion application from your app drawer. You will then be able to see that you have successfully changed the language setting for your Alight Motion app. If you want to change it back to English, you can get to the settings menu anytime you want. From the settings menu, look for Alight Motion app for your iOS device. Now from the settings menu, tap on preferred language again and select English or any other different language of your choice. So that is super easy, isn't it? You will be able to change your display language in just a second. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.